Maigirma Gwamnan Aliyu, Sokoto PhD, SCIT, FCNA, as the presiding officer to the NYSC orientation camp for the swearing ceremony of the 2025 batch S1 core members deployed to Sokoto State for the 1-year mandatory service. May I also recognize the President of His Eminence, the Sultan of Sokoto, Alhaji Dr. Mohammed III, Silver Enamai, from whom the scheme has been enjoying fatherly support and royal blessings at all times. Distinguished guests, I wish to humbly express our profound gratitude to the administration of His Excellency, the Executive Governor of Sokoto State, Alhaji Ahmed Aliyu, Sokoto PhD, SCIT, FCNA, for the support and cooperation which makes the activities of the NYSC in Sokoto State a successful one. In the same vein, let me make a passionate appeal to His Excellency for the continued payment of core member state allowances. Your Excellency, sir, the payment of core members' allowances will no doubt go a long way in bolstering core members' morale and also increase their productivity in their places of primary assignment in the state. Your Excellency, sir, we are here today to witness the swearing ceremony and official opening of the 2025 batch A to one core members deployed to Sokoto State for the 3 weeks orientation course program.
Your Excellency, the Executive Governor of Sokoto State, Alhaji Dr. Ahmed Aliyu, Sokoto, FCNA, PhD, ably represented by the Honorable Commissioner, Ministry for Youth and Sport Development, Engineer Dr. Mustapha Mohammed, the representative of my Lord, the Chief Judge of Sokoto State, heads of security agencies here present, members of the NYSC Governing Board, State NYSC Coordinator, employees of core members, gentlemen of the press, distinguished invited guests, patriotic core members, ladies and gentlemen. Assalamu alaikum. It is my honor and a privilege to welcome His Excellency, the Executive Governor of Sokoto State, Alhaji Dr. Ahmed Aliyu, Sokoto FCNA, represented by the Honorable Commissioner, Ministry for Youth and Sport Development, to this auspicious occasion. I'm also delighted to recognize the presence of other dignitaries here to the swearing in ceremony and the formal opening of the 2025 Batch A Stream 1 NYSC orientation course for core members deployed to Sokoto State.
All security officers and personnel present here today, members of the NYSC Governing Board, the NYSC State Coordinator, club members, ladies and gentlemen, invited guests, Assalamu alaikum. I am Dr. Engineer Mustapha Mohammed, the Honorable Commissioner of Youth and Sport, Sokoto. I stand here today to represent His Excellency Dr. Ahmed Aliyu, the Executive Governor of Sokoto State. And on his behalf, I would like to deliver his speech. It gives me great pleasure today to welcome you all to Sokoto State for the 2025 Batch A Stream 1 orientation course exercise. Foremostly, accept my congratulations for having successfully graduated from your various institutions of higher learning. I am sure majority of you left your homes with mixed feelings of hope and anxiety. We in Sokoto State are ever ready. We are ever ready to tame your feeling. Sokoto is one of the most peaceful and hospitable states of the Federation. Your kinsmen from the south living in Sokoto and the serving corps members will confirm this to you. It is our hope that you will exhibit high sense of discipline during and after the service year. Do embody the principle of National Youth Service Corps as enshrined in the decree establishing the scheme, and always remember to abide by the content of the oath which you just sworn. To usher in a new era of hope at the present and future youth, I enjoin you to be of good behavior, shun antisocial behaviors and other negative social vices. Have the fear of God, be honest, loyal, and dedicated to your nation. Obey your leaders irrespective of their religious or socio-cultural background, and you will be fulfilled in life. Gentlemen and ladies, corps members, before I conclude the address, may I use this opportunity to wish you a happy stay in Sokoto State and a hit-free and successful campaign exercise. Finally, I wish to formally declare the orientation of the 2025 Batch A Stream 1 service year open. Thank you very much.
Well, my additional message to the youth who are, to the NYSC corps members who are here in Sokoto is for them to live a happy life, to mix on with the various socio-cultural they have found in Sokoto State. Sokoto State, we are known to be a very peaceful state, rich with cultural heritage. So they should maximize that opportunity to enjoy themselves, serve the state, because it's going to be a footprint for their future. That is my message today. To ƙarin sako na zuwa gare su dai sun zo Sokoto, wasu suna tabbata ba su taɓa zuwa Sokoto ba sai yau. Saboda haka su zo su yi zaman su lafiya, su yi aikin su yadda ya kamata, ladabi da biyayya ga duk wanda suka saba. Kuma Sokoto cike take da tarihi na al'adunmu na gargajiya da sauransu, su yi kokari su yi blending in a cikin wannan al'adunmu, su yi aikin su tsakani da Allah, su yi service in state din tsakani da Allah, domin zai zama ginshiki gare su zuwa gaba.